Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my home village, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. Go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the settings section you can find the general section and click to the second button, the language. You can find different language, for example Italiano, Deutsch, Spanish, Korean and others, and if you want to select one, just click that and you can use this language. Actually, I don't select, for example, Italiano, because I don't speak. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.